Hello everyone, welcome back to my coding channel Code with Subharanjan. Today I will show you step by step how to set up Java in Visual Studio Code. Install all the required extensions and run your very first Hello World program. So let's get started the video. You can follow these steps that you can easily set up Java on your VS Code. Step 1, install JDK. I will also make a video tutorial in how to install JDK on Windows 11. You can check it there. Second, step 2, install VS Code. Step 3, install required extensions. Step 4, configure Java home variable. It is not mandatory, but when it is required, I am say that in the installation. And last one, create your Hello World program. So let's go to the download page, open your browser and type VS Code. Press enter. You can click the first link. Don't worry guys, I will provide this link in description. Now you can click the download for Windows option. Choose your location, whatever you want to download your file. I can prefer in D of volume. Save. Wait few minutes. The file is downloading. When the file is all complete download, double click it to start the installation. You can see here the setup wizard is appeared here. And next, accept the agreement. Click next. You can choose as it is this file, or if you download a different folder, click browse option and select your folder. I am download D drive, select D drive. Okay. Now my location changes D drive. Click next and again next and check these boxes. Here are a desktop icon and check these two boxes because this option are helps us to when you make any folder in a desktop or your anywhere, and when you click the folder, right click, and it is show the open with code option. Click next. After that, click install. Now your VS Code installation is starting. Wait few minutes. When the installation is completed, uncheck this option and finish. Close the window. You can see the shortcut VS Code option is added in desktop. The first, create your folder. Now name your folder project 1 and select the folder. Right click, show more options, and you can see the open with code option is appeared. Click this option. Now your project file open in VS Code. Now we can need two more extensions that can help us to run your program. Go to extension tab, search code runner, press enter. You can choose this option, code runner. My case is it is also already is installed because I am already using VS Code. But if you install VS Code first time, it will not be installed well. You can click the install option and this option is extension is installed your VS Code, and another extension is extension pack for Java. Choose this option, extension pack for Java under Microsoft.com. Also install this option, and you can see here under extension pack for Java, etc. many other extensions like Maven for Java, Gradle for Java, language support. So you can download this extension, and these all extensions are already installed under this extension. No more required to download separately. So when you download all extensions, restart your VS Code and open your VS Code. Now click new file, create your first program. So I am name the program is program1 dot java. Dot java is extension. So you can create your first program. So use your class name program101 and extension dot java and press enter. Wait few seconds. Java is activating now. You can see after Java is activating, now you can use your program. You can see here the VS Code intelligence will be automatically declared our class program01. So it is the profits of using VS Code editor. I have a sample program code. So I am copy here and paste it. What is the error? Oh, sorry. The class is not capital, it is small. Now the error is gone. So I am covered what is the class, what is the published void main in the next tutorial video. I am say that just it's a demo class. So, sorry, it's the program one changing with. Sorry, it's your class program01. It is as it is same your program class name, and it is the public static void main. It is the entry point of in Java is the entry point of your program. Your program is executed under the main method, and it is the system.out.print is a method that help us to print your message in console. You can print hello world program is a two-way. First is using terminal, and second your option run Java. So first one I can choose. I can see you using terminal. Click three dots. Go to terminal. New terminal. And type this command Java C. It's your Java compiler space a program name with extension program01.java and press enter. Now our program is compiled successfully. You can see now our class file is generated program01.class file. What is the class file? I'll be saying Next tutorial. Now run our Java program. The next command is Java space program 01 dot Java and press enter. Now hello world is printed successfully. And the second one is using directly run Java. Now hello world is also printed. You can choose also both run code and run Java. Run code is vscode default run code runner, and run Java provides in Java. So I am preferred use run Java because run code sometimes give me an error. So use run Java. Now its output is now I am says the if your VS Code not detecting your JDK, because JDK is Java Development Kit. It is required to compile your Java program. Under JDK is I have Java compiler. So and if you in during installation JDK, you changes your path. By default, it is save as C drive, but you can change in any other location D or all any other location. So your VS Code not detecting your JDK. So in this case, you can need set up configure your Java variable. So how to set up? Go to File Explorer, go to this PC, C drive, Program Files, Java file, under Program File Java file, in JDK 21 file, bin folder. Then click this path and copy this path and go to search and search environment variables, and you can show this option edit the system environment variable. Click this and launch the system properties window. Under system properties window, click environment variables. Under environment variables window, go to system variable and click new system variable value and paste the copied path, and variable name is Java home. My case is already is visible here, so I cannot set this. It's your variable name Java home and its path is that is. So guys, in during install setup in VS Code, if you facing any type error, comment out me and I will be help you. That's it. You have successfully set up Java in VS Code and run your first Java program. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding tutorials. See you in the next one. Thank you.